What is up, guys, and welcome back to the Prestige Amazon FBA YouTube channel. If you guys are new to the channel, welcome. My name is Andy. I've been selling on the Amazon platform for a few years now. I'm currently a 7-figure seller, and I release videos twice a week just for the Prestige fam. And if you guys are new to this channel, welcome. This is a series that I am building out, and hopefully you guys find useful, and it's called That Product Makes How Much. And basically, I go and dive into product research using tools like Helium 10 and Jungle Scout to kind of help you guys how I personally go through and let you guys know how I personally go through product research and how I use these tools to go about product research. And if you guys are unfamiliar with these tools, I'll definitely dive deeper into them. But first of all, if you guys haven't already checked out the Facebook group, definitely go check out the Facebook group. It's called the Prestige Amazon FBA Mastermind. We're almost at 850 members as of today, April 29th, I think. So definitely go check that out. Super interactive and fun group that's growing every single day. Also check out my Instagram where I post daily content, and that's also at the official Andy Lem. All of that can be found down below in the description. And if you guys are interested in a free coaching call, I definitely recommend it. I included this, or I have this for every video. It's a free 30-minute coaching call. Definitely stay to the end of this video if you're interested in how you can be entered into winning that. But yeah, I think that's it. Let's dive into it. So I'm going to minimize my screen because you don't need to see me or myself in the corner here. But basically, I have Helium 10 pulled up. If you guys don't know what Helium 10 is, it's an all-in-one suite of tools. Probably one of my favorite tools. I bounce between Jungle Scout and Helium 10, which tend to be the most popular ones now at this point in time. I mean, throughout my years of selling as well. But Helium 10 offers a really nice and easy to use suite of tools, and they have everything from finding your next product and doing keyword research to finding keyword search volumes, and tools to organize your listing that make it really seamless and easy, and it doesn't take a lot of there isn't a steep learning curve, so you can definitely just get into the program and kind of use the tools without any big speed bumps along the way. So for this, or for most of this video, and for the last videos, if you haven't checked out this series already, I am going to use Amazon product research tool called the Black Box on Helium 10. On Jungle Scout, it's called something else. I can't bring it up in my mind right now, but so for Black Box, this is kind of what I do, and this is kind of the filters that I set. And if you don't know what Black Box is, it kind of filters out all the different products on Amazon's platform based on your certain search criteria. So I don't know if you've seen a bunch of YouTube videos or you've had mentors or courses that tell you, this is what you should be looking for when you look for a certain product. I personally like to keep an open mind when it comes to product research. Sometimes I use Helium 10 to find a first product to go further down the rabbit hole and do more further research on. So this is kind of where I like to start, and this is where I would want to go for this video. So as you can see, there's basic filters here, monthly revenue. This is just something that I set to kind of give me a baseline, give me somewhere to start. And you're welcome to play around with these numbers as much as you want. Let's say you want to set a monthly revenue of 200,000. So you can set something from 10,000 to 200,000. You can play with something a little less on monthly revenue. It's really up to you guys. In terms of pricing, this is also up to you guys. This is the range I'll set for this video. You can increase the price if you want to go to a higher ticket item, and then review counts. In terms of category, these are the categories that I typically like to set. And this is the usual categories that I'll usually sort for. So yeah, all I did was enter that, and you guys can do that on your end as well, and just hit search. And basically, yeah, you're able to actually click and sort from, pricing, monthly revenue, PSR, monthly sales. So yeah, let's just get into it. For the sake of this video, I am releasing this during the coronavirus. So a lot of things like gloves, hand sanitizers, soaps, face masks are definitely in demand. So I'm going to try to avoid those for now, just because it's a very I wouldn't say seasonal, but it's a very temporary in-demand product. So I'm just going to scroll down and see what people are buying. And to keep that in mind, you know, a lot of the information that's coming from these softwares is taking into account like the last 30 days or 90 days or 60 days. So certain products may be temporarily higher in sales, but that doesn't necessarily mean that they are not in sales, you know, throughout the year. So you definitely have to take into account that data. So it's all relative. School smart rail boards. What is this? Poster boards. Okay, this is doing almost $200,000 in sales, over 10,000 units a day. Rail boards. I don't. It might be poster board. Oh, okay. This may be a big product that you have to figure out shipping logistics for, but I mean, just looking at, wow, maybe this will be a quick video. Let's look at these numbers. Okay, so 418 search volume. I don't think this is the main keyword. So let's go and look at, I want to say it's poster boards, poster board. So even here, like, of course you'd be competing against Office Depot, but even Office Depot only has 57 reviews. And these top guys only have, you know, 91 to 80 reviews. I don't see very much review competitiveness. Well, if we find this to be a good product right off the bat, that'd be pretty crazy. Huh, yeah, 50, almost 60,000 search volume, which is pretty good. I'm just looking at these graphs now because this is kind of an indication if you can see that there's an increase in demand because of coronavirus and COVID-19. So I see that it's kind of spread out. Some of these guys, you do see an increase, but you want to see, you know, the 1 year. So it seems it may be, again, very seasonal because of school and everything. But you see it has, you know, relatively consistent sales. You'll see like spikes. We can look at everyone else's. Yeah, like let's look at the all-time. Even this is considered low. I mean, this guy was selling hundreds per day, but now he's still selling, you know, a good amount. Let's see this main seller. Yeah, so this looks like something that sells year round. This actually looks like a really good product if you can figure out. I know these like certain poster boards you're not able to fold. So if you can figure out logistics for that and figure out how you can best ship and not take too much space in terms of storage and everything, and you know, shipping this may be a little difficult on Amazon side, but you'll need to figure out numbers and stuff. Let's just click this one. And we can just use Helium 10's rough estimate. Like you may be able to get this for cheaper, so it's really up to you guys. But they say the unit manufacturing cost is $6.38, which seems like a lot. This is seems like paper, but unit freight cost is only $2.39. What about Amazon's FBA cost? FBA fee is expensive because it's so big, $12. But it's like a 20% profit margin. Usually I would go for something higher, but I mean, for the review competitiveness and seeing like how much people are selling, and it seems like a relatively high search volume. I mean, most of these guys are selling over 1,000 units, 2,000, 7,000. Yeah, that's actually really awesome. Okay, well, I wasn't expecting to find a product that quickly, but I mean, this seems to have really good potential, and hopefully you guys may be able to jump into this and make a variation for in some way or somehow, maybe like a different units or different number of boards per item different colors. Like this guy did a multicolor one. If you guys had a different color scheme, definitely go over the reviews to see, what people are looking for in these types of products. Maybe it's too thin, maybe the paper is too thin. Maybe you want to increase the quality of the paper. Maybe the papers arrived, damaged or something. So you can increase packaging or increase the quality of packaging. But yeah, this actually seems like a good potential product. I know it may take a lot of space, and this is possibly why a lot of people are shying away from this type of product. But if you can figure it out and make the numbers work, I think this has a lot of potential. So yeah, I'm going to call that a video. I'm definitely going to hop on and continue this series because there's a lot more things to show you guys, but hopefully you guys found that helpful. As a lot of people are saying, like, it's really difficult to find products, and I literally just searched this up, and this is the 4th item down for those categories. So definitely keep an eye out, definitely have a criteria to look for, and hopefully this helped you guys out. Definitely stay tuned for the next video where I release another episode for that product makes how much. And yeah, if you guys are interested in a free 30-minute coaching call, definitely like this video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below, #prestige Amazon FBA. And yeah, don't forget to check out the Facebook group and Instagram page. And I do have a free cheat sheet for you guys who are just starting out or have been selling for a while. I include resources that I personally use in that cheat sheet. It's the first link down below. And yeah, I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace.